Welcome, friends, to my video review of the RedLife infrared red light therapy system. So on the back is a cooling fan and a plug. So this is designed to be able to plug in multiple units together. It comes with this little mounting strap that you could hang it off the ceiling or something like that. What I actually did was, with the help of a friend, designed the stand. This is from like a desk, that like a fold down desk that was designed for tables. So I used the original screw that was here, including also this leg screw from over here, to attach this unit over here. So this way I could have this over my bed and do that. So I'm making this video. I turned it on to see that it works, and I just wanted to show you in a video format that that it's a working unit. The RedLife, that's what it looks like on each side. It has these little units to mount it from the bottom also. I don't know how to do that. These things came together, this metal system, and the plan is for it to be kind of like a bridge on the wall over my bed, so that I wouldn't have to be outside of bed in order to enjoy red light therapy, because I think I want to be more comfortable with it. So I just got this unit. I ordered this many months ago. So far, the quality looks fantastic. And what's interesting about this unit, as opposed to the ones I saw on Amazon, is that it has more red light therapy nanometer wavelength light sources. Those other ones, they don't have those, and I think those extra light sources actually might have some sort of healing properties that others don't. So it has a little handle over here. So here's the plan. I'm gonna put it on the wall, and then I'll show you how it works over the bed. Now, that's the idea that I came up with, and I hope you guys come up with your own ideas, or put your comments down below. The unit looks beautiful so far, and it's very bright also. It takes 140 watts. See on the back it says 140 watts, and it is a beautiful unit. So this came with this manual. Let's see what it says in here. Why choose this? It's pain-free, drug and chemical-free, allows adjunct treatment. I guess this is the way that different people do it. I want to be actually lying down with my red light therapy, so not ablative, so no tissue damage apparently. Natural healing, natural power, 500 watt targeted device. Is it really 500 watts? It says on the back of the unit actually 140 watts. On the back of you saw in the video, it says input is 140 watts. Maybe it's at a lower temperature. I don't know. So red light therapy panels are the perfect addition to your routine and beauty. Mind panels are 150 red and 50 near infrared lights, weighing just 5 kilograms. Okay, welcome to the red light panel. Both 630 and 660. In 810 and 850. So that's one of those things that I saw the units on Amazon. They weren't actually that much cheaper, but they were missing this 810 and 850 nanometer stuff. So scientifically proven for the therapeutic effects. So here's everything that comes in a box. This little cord, you could adjust it. This is like a ratcheting mechanism over here. So you could adjust the height that it's there. So 07 mounting hardware. I don't know how to use this mounting hardware. Not sure. It doesn't really tell you. It comes with a booklet. So power cord 1 RJ411 link cable. So perhaps this is used. They had a package deal on the unit. On the different units, you could like buy 5 of them or something to have a better effect. I just bought one. So I just have one. I'm not sponsored or anything. This is with my own money. I bought it. I saw the advertisement. So let's see what it says here. Remove components from it, plug the power cord, turn on device. Now select treatment session. Okay, so you can select the different various treatment sessions. So on off. So you could do to time plus, time minus, pause, play. And in the timing. And then on the timing, it says, I guess you could do different timings. Product fixtures is often photobiomodulation that uses near infrared wavelengths. Near infrared, pain relief, increase, boost healing and energy, speeds healing of burns, skin repair. Red boosts liver function, beneficial for lungs. Okay. RedLife therapy benefits. Improved blood flow, sleep optimization, recovery, healing, performance, skin, beauty. Okay, I like this. Counterindications and precautions. So they're not going to be. So I say the thing. I'm not a manufacturer. However, I'm showing you how I'm installing it for mine. So be careful when you're installing it. Get a professional to do it. You know, because I am mounting mine to the wall. So, and I'm using extra ratcheting straps. You're going to see in a second how I mounted it. So counterindications, blah, 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 frequently asked questions, emits red light, what are the benefits, is it safe generally, yes, how often should I use, the frequency depends on your specific goals, okay, does this have radiation and radiation, can you do it with clothes on, yeah, but we can I guarantee the best way is to bare skin to absorb light from its specific chosen target areas. Can the red light therapy help with wrinkles? Yes, can reduce wrinkles, technically. Can you use both red and near infrared? Yes, you can. For your treatment, turn red and infrared switch on, working up to 20-30 minutes per day, at least 4 times a week. You will see benefits in 4 to 6 weeks. Benefits, limited warranty, covers defects in workmanship, supportive will of life. And then we have, okay. Okay, so obviously you should wear eye protection because this is infrared stuff. So these are silicone goggles things to block out light while you're doing the red light therapy. So that's important. I'm glad the goggles came included with it. This is the RJ45 cable. This looks like just a regular telephone jack type of deal. So I got a feeling multiple units can be plugged in and communicate with each other using that power cable. And this mounting hardware, I don't believe there was any instructions given how this is supposed to mount. So perhaps this goes on the table. And I don't know. This mounting hardware, I don't understand how it works. But I'm not using this mounting hardware. I'm showing you exactly how I did it. So, you know, do it at your own, you know, discretion, the way you do it. We each are responsible for ourselves. So I will show you exactly how I built it up, and let's see how it beautifully works. Okay, so this is how I have it mounted. I used a table from a fold-down table, and over here, this is screwed into the original screw, I think, plus a little bit of modification was done here to make it attach to that well. I used the mounting points, the hardware that came included with it here, and this is adjustable. So when I want to lift this up, it gets pressed, and I just hold this up and I pull it up. So now let's turn this unit on for the first time above the bed. So that power. Oh, over here we have to press the power switch up here. Okay. So that's the lighting. And time. Okay. Mode. So this mode button changes which wavelengths you want. So with all three wavelengths, so here's what it looks like when you're powering it on. So that's all three modes. You press this mode button, that turns on, I guess, the green and that one. Press mode button, that does that. And now all three. When you press timer, it's gonna do 40 minutes. I guess you could do, let's say 30 minutes. And then you could press play. So that's 30. So that's how we program it. Timer. Now let's see how much power it's actually taking. It's taking 143 watts. With nothing connected, 1 watt. So I just did a session with this machine. I did a half-an-hour session. I found it very relaxing. At this height, it was slightly warming, kind of like the sun. And I would recommend it for others because it sounds like the health benefits have been scientifically, tested. And there's a bunch of different scientific studies regarding, what happened with people using these different light wavelengths. And yeah, I think this machine is better than the stuff that they have on Amazon. The build quality is fantastic. The metal chassis, I like that it's completely metal. I like the timer. I like the heavy duty power cord. I like that it gives you like these the mounting stuff like up there. Like the mounting so that it could be in a nice so you can hang it up. You could also, like I did it my way, I think that's very convenient too. The ratchet strap, so they pretty much gave you all the quality of life features. I like the remote control. I like that you could put the different wavelengths. So overall, I would recommend it. So I'm gonna link you to this machine, and I'll see if I could find the Stu Peters interview regarding this machine that I watched, that I ordered it. And I think the promotion code, I'm not promoted, I bought this myself. I think I used the promo code STU. I think that gives you like $50 off. So I think there's a $500 unit I got for like $450. And because it was via PayPal, I'm protected. Also, I don't think there was a sales tax. So overall, I think this machine is great. Higher build than the quality of the Amazon types. I'll link you to like an Amazon search. Look for your own stuff. However, what I found, those are missing the 810 and the 850 nanometer wavelengths. They have the 610 and the 630s. However, if I'm gonna get wavelengths, I might as well get all of them. I like the setup that I just did. I just laid down in my underwear, shirtless, very comfortably, and enjoyed the, as it says in the manual, that it's best to do it shirtless. So I highly recommend it. Check out this unit, and thumb up the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.